So Apple is saying that, or more or less, they're claiming that their HomePod can actually replace a really decent soundbar when you pair it up with their 4K TV. They launched this very small size speaker a few days ago called their HomePod Mini. You said the speaker looks okay, but nothing really special. Um, they, I don't know how I feel about the whole $99 mini speaker that looks like a cube, or sorry, like a ball, a roundish ball, to really give you an Atmos experience. I really feel that Dolby has really watered down their Dolby Atmos experience to a point now that everybody now claims that they can use anything to reproduce Atmos. I really don't know. I really don't know. So there is a home cinema mode that is on the HomePod. By default, it helps the speaker. The speaker produce, from what they claim, Dolby Atmos on the HomePod. So I see. I don't know how a speaker like the HomePod can really produce Atmos sound, because it's just one speaker, and it's not really like it's a powerful speaker that with multiple drivers. I really don't know how it's gonna pull it off. You understand? So they are comparing the HomePod. At least Apple is comparing the HomePod to the recently launched Echo Studio that was launched a few months ago. They claim that the HomePod can also work as a Dolby 5.1 or 7.1 system, as well as they are claiming. These are claims. It's really may not be what would translate into what you would hear, honestly. These are claims. I have to stress this, that these are claims from Google. We'll have to wait and see. So they claim that the the stuff would even rival, that the HomePod would even rival the Amazon Echo Studio in terms of sound. You understand? They even said that it would give you immersive sound. It should be able to decode older formats like Dolby Surrounds in 5.1 or 7.1, and give you a good surround sound for the money. There's a big difference between the Echo and this particular HomePod, because the Echo is 4 times the price of the HomePod, and if Apple is comparing their mini HomePod to the Echo Studio that costs $400, they have to really know what they are doing to compete with the Amazon Echo Studio, because that particular model is not a small speaker. I've seen that speaker. That speaker is not small. Um, okay, it is what it is. It is what it is. The HomePod is going to be available, and it's something that you should really look at price wise. Now they have a bigger HomePod. I think they have two HomePods. They have the one that is the mini, and they have the bigger HomePod. So maybe you go for the bigger HomePod. I think the bigger HomePod is around $600. While the mini version is $100. So maybe the bigger version can perform a lot better than the smaller version. So the bigger version is priced at $600. So we shall see. These are lofty claims. I can't wait for people to get their hands on this particular product and really confirm what Apple is saying here. I'm curious to really find out whether this thing can actually be a soundbar replacement, because I've seen it. I don't see this as a decent sound system. It will sound okay, but it's not going to be a top of the line decent system. But I may be proven wrong, so we have to wait and see. Guys, be sure to follow us here on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.